Friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of denied account on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then here in this page, you will scrolling down until you find this window of Telegram, and you will enter here. Then in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.